Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to have fun drawing Stephen Curry, NBA star Stephen Curry. I'm going to illustrate the fundamentals, the basics that you need to know to draw Stephen Curry. So follow me and we're going to get through drawing Stephen Curry today. So let's get right to it. This concludes this session of Drawing with Jeff. Our featured person today was Stephen Curry, often called Steph Curry, NBA great. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, please join me next time. And whether you did or didn't, let me hear from you, positive or negative. Please subscribe to my channel, Drawing with Jeff, where I teach you how to become an artist, all the basics, fundamentals, the concepts. I illustrate that so you can understand how to become an artist. This is Steph Curry, and until next time, once again, subscribe to my channel, Drawing with Jeff, and if you can, rescue an animal. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later where I'll do another session. Take care, subscribe, bye-bye.